In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Webflow support. Whether you're new to Webflow or have been using it for a while, there may come times when you need a little help. Luckily, Webflow provides a variety of support options that are easy to access and quite comprehensive. In this guide, I'll be walking you through how to navigate their support system step by step. First, you'll start by logging into your Webflow account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Resources menu at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, simply click on Support, and this will take you to the main support hub where all the help you could need is just a click away. Upon reaching the support hub, you'll find yourself greeted by Webflow University. This resource is a treasure trove for Webflow users of all levels, offering courses and tutorials designed to elevate your Webflow skills from beginner to expert. It's a fantastic place to explore and learn new things at your own pace. Besides, there's the Quick Help section, which is tailored to provide immediate answers to common questions, ensuring your workflow remains smooth without unnecessary delays. Moreover, Webflow has a vibrant community forum where users, designers, and developers come together to share knowledge, ask questions, and showcase work. Being part of this community can be incredibly rewarding because it allows you not only to get your queries answered, but also to connect with like-minded individuals committed to mastering Webflow. In situations where your project might need a bit of expert help, Webflow offers a solution through their Certified Partner Program. By clicking on Find a Webflow Partner, you can search for certified partners who match your specific needs and budget. This might be especially useful if your project has specific requirements that demand professional expertise. If these resources don't resolve your issue, or if you prefer direct assistance, there's another option. At the top right corner of the page, you will find a Get Support button. Clicking on this allows you to pinpoint the specific workspace or site you're having trouble with in a message. You can specify your concerns and even attach relevant files or screenshots to aid in diagnosing and solving your issue. Based on the information you provide, Webflow will suggest possible solutions from its vast reservoir of resources, including helpful articles and previously answered community posts. And if your issue still persists, you can continue onward to chat with their AI support, which is available 24/7, ensuring you have constant access to the assistance you need. I hope this guide helps bolster your confidence in navigating Webflow's support options, offering you peace of mind in knowing help is readily available whenever you need it. Happy designing in Webflow.